It's summertime and the beach is packed, the weather is back, and I want to send you that good energy as I skate around Venice Beach to Santa Monica. Oh man, I'm super excited. I actually found a place that sold this hat. This is my 4th one. 2 I lost and 1 got super faded. So I'm super excited.
Perfumes in the air. 'Cause I've been needing you like old-fashioned orange slice. Sweet like daiquiri with strawberry crushed ice. Know you like a margarita with the hot spice. Love the taste of paradise.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had fun doing it, getting all the serotonin in. Oh man, love it.